Okay, so today we're going to be looking at measuring efficiency in some different metals. We will need to make sure we have the following equipment: 1 kilogram metal block with holes drilled for heater and thermometer, 12 volt 36 watt low voltage heater to slot in the aluminium block, low voltage 12V power supply for the heater, calculator, millisecond timer and a thermometer. Okay, so here are our pieces of equipment. So I am going to first start off by measuring, I'm first going to start off by setting up the low voltage power supply, which is this little beast just here. I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to push it all the way to number 12 on the dial. There we go. Next thing I need to do is I need to check the temperature that the metal currently stands at. I'll leave that in there and I'll give it around about 15 to 30 seconds before I actually decide on what temperature we are looking at. Okay, so the temperature before we start is 22 degrees. Don't forget the OC on the end of it when you're writing it into your table of results, which you will be provided with. Now what I need to do is I need to hook up the heater to the power supply. This here is the heater. We will put it into the DC column, so the red and the black one, according to this power supply just here. As it's a metal, as I'm sure you're aware, it will conduct heat. So eventually, this may get very hot, so please be careful. And make sure you've also got your goggles on in case of any eventualities. When I switch on the power supply, I will start the timer. This will be left for 5 minutes to heat up, and then we can measure the temperature of the block of metal.